Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are looking at curbside pickups until May the 11th, which is Saturday. You're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. First thing we're going to talk about in this video is how to reload this, which is the 30% off Walgreens My Brand coupon, valid right up until the 11th of May, which is Saturday. You're going to go into your coupons folder, the folder that the items are not checked. I'm right now in the household section. If you look at the top, I hit it. So these are all household items. And I'm scrolling down, and halfway through, there it is. I've already used it, and it reset probably an hour after I used it. So I reloaded it. I just pressed the button, green check. Now it's on my store card. Now I'm going to go to my coupons folder where all of my loaded coupons are. Here it is, my saved offers. And I'm going to go halfway down this list of clipped coupons to repopulate that 30%er right to the top. And this is what you have to do to see the coupon with your own eyes. These are all loaded coupons. Now look, top left-hand corner, there it is. I'm going to tap it, and it's in my coupons folder. I've loaded this guy, I think, 3 or 4 times per store card. And then looking at my redeemed, here it is. I've already used it as well to prove I'm not making this up. It's that easy to reload these store coupons. Now, yesterday I made a video about the Dollar General clearance event that will be taking place this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so the 10th, 11th, and 12th. I really recommend that even if you're a staunch shopper at Walgreens, to maybe check out the Dollar General. I think there's like 8 freebies, guys. It's easy with digital coupons. You just go, put your phone number in the keypad, and they're practically going to be throwing this stuff in your back trunk for you. Because I'm not a complete monster, just to give you a taste, this 6-pack of the Charmin is going to be $2.57. Subtracting that digital coupon, $1.57 for a 6-pack of Charmin toilet paper. I mean, that is crazy and magic and wonderful and everything you like. Butterscotch pudding. I will link this video at the very end. I recommend you watch it. When you have this many freebies, we just don't see this. The Dollar General is really rolling out the red carpet starting on Friday the 10th. This video gives you the step-by-step and information on how to be successful. Again, linked at the end. Check it out. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to look at is deal number 1. It includes this app, which is Fetch Rewards. See the cylinder of the peanut mini M&ms? It's called a tube, not a cylinder. How very foolish of me. We're going to be grabbing a bunch of these, and you're getting back 1,500 points for the purchase of each. Double, triple check that you have this rebate and it's still active on your Fetch Rewards account. But you can do this up to 5 times. That's a lot of really nice little M&ms. So pretty easy deal, guys. You are going to throw 5 of them on a BOGO 50% off. That is exactly 10 buckos for all this M&Ms. And if you think about it, you're getting back $7.50. But it gets better because we have a $1 digital coupon. So you're going to make sure that you have this guy loaded for this little dealio. Now, to get the basket right to so the math balances, we're also going to throw in one of these Walgreens 4-packs of the toilet paper for $1.99. And here it is, $1 off. WAG 10 taking another $10 off, so I'm not complaining there. And then just to show you the math, it's $11.99. $10 with WAG 10 coming off, another $1 for that digital coupon, $10. You know what I would do? Use $10 in Walgreens cash. Make sure that when you go pick this up, that you ask the cashier to process it through a regular cash register so you get a receipt. Photograph that to Fetch for $7.50 back. And it's just a really smart deal. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 2, and we are going to be throwing in this booster, which is a 7 back when you spend 30. And then if you have this guy, also throw him in. It's a 5 back when you spend 20 on P&G products. However, there's an offer on these Tide Pods, so I don't think you need it. So maybe just throw it in your cart and see how it shakes out. Always a smart thing to do. 2 of these Tide Pod Free and Gentle at $12.99 a pop is $25.98. So we're not quite near that $30 mark. but we're going to load our two best friends, which is the $3 off, and we have a $2 off. And if you need to stock up on these Tide Pods, it's a very smart offer. I think a size similar to this in Canada right now is almost $25 for one. So stocking up a parent for these. And then we're going to grab four of my best friends, which are the M&M mini peanut butter for $7.50. Has to be that flavor with the fetch rebate as well, guys. And then we need to load our best friend, which is the $1 off too. Man, I have so many best friends in this deal. And then just to show you all the digital coupons coming off, and I also included the code WAG10 for an extra $2.75 off. So looking at the overall basket, it's $33.48, $2.75 coming off. We're still at our $30 threshold. Free curbside pickup, tax, and $6 melting off. So with your debit card, pay $26.16, and then you're getting back $12.33 in Walgreens cash, and then another $6 back from the Fetch Rewards. So it's like $18.33 back. Not a bad deal, especially if you need to stock up on those Tide Pods. What a deal! Okay, so now we're at deal number 3. We are going to throw in 3 of the Mother's Day cards at $3.99 a pop. Mother's Day is celebrated on the 12th, so if you want to be extra thoughtful, $3.99 cards it is. For all of these Hallmark Mother's Day cards, there's a slew of coupons that are high value off of these cards, so make sure you have them loaded. And then we're also going to throw in 2 of these Dove shampoos at $4 a pop. We also have a $2 digital coupon that is attaching, and it's on this promotion of buy 2, get $5 back. And because the word buy is in there, yes, you can roll your Walgreens cash. And this is the digital coupon that you're going to load, guys. It's a $2 off of a shampoo. Now to show you the chorus line, here it is. We have a 5 off 2 for the Hallmark cards, another $2.50 off, WAG10 taking 45 cents, and another $2 off. The overall total is $19.97, 45 cents coming off, free curbside pickup, tax, $9.50 in digitals melting off. So your total is $11.19. You know, personally, I would use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay $1.19, and you're getting $5 back. Not a bad deal. And if you have like a grandma, a mother-in-law, you need to get a bunch of cards for Mother's Day, this might be the deal for you. Okay, so the next deal that we're looking at is deal number 4, and we are going to have the 10 back when you spend 40 on allergy, plus the 7 back when you spend 30 on general merchandise. So that is 17 back on a $40 basket, but we're not going to pay that. So we're going to grab one of these Zysol allergy tablets, the 80 count. That's quite a few for $36.99, so it's already on a promotion. Load this $10 off digital coupon. And then just to get the basket right to 40, I also threw in $11 of the Walgreens generic allergy meds as well. And we are also going to throw in our best friend, which is the 30% off. And yes, it is attaching to said product for extra savings. So just to show you the chorus line, we have a $10 off for the Zysol, $3.30 off, and then $3.47 off with WAG10. And the overall total was $47.99, $6.77 melting off, free curbside pickup, and that $10 digital melting off. With your debit card, pay $33.69, and then you're getting back $17.91. Not a bad deal. Debit card, credit card to pay down the balance. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 5. We are going to throw in 3 of the Walgreens Super Mega 9 counts for $5 a pop. We're going to load our best friend, which is the 30% off. If you want cheap toilet paper, this is just the deal for you. And to show you, we have $4.50 melting off with that 30%, and then another $1.05 melting off. So curbside is the way to go with these paper products. $15 subtracting $5.55 and a little bit of tax. If you might have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay 2 cents and call this a very smart deal. Okay, and the final deal that we're going to look at is deal number 6, and we're going to need this guy loaded, which is a 7 back when you spend 30. And then I don't think you need this one loaded either, because there's a promotion on the body wash of 5 back when you spend 20 on P&G. So double check when you're doing your little dealio that everything's mathing out. Okay, so throwing 2 of these fancy Olay body washes into your cart is $25.98, and there's a whole bunch of different scents if you don't like this, like I don't know, it's like Shea Moisture or whatever it is. $25.98, and we're going to load this, which is a 10 off of 2 digital coupon. It's called the Olay Indulgent Moisture Body Wash. The cherry one sounds absolutely glorious. And we're going to also throw in 3 of these M&M peanut butter tubes for $6.25, and we are going to load our dollar digital coupon. So just to show you the little chorus line of all of your savings, we have dollar off for the M&Ms, $2.12 off for WAG 10, and another $10 melting off for the Olay body wash. So our price was $32.23. We're still at that $30 mark with the $2.12 melting off and $11 in digitals. With your debit card or credit card, pay $20.57, and you're getting back $12.32. And then you're going to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Make sure the cashier gives you one, and you're going to get another $4.50 back from Fetch. So if you think about it, this is just a really good deal. It's like $3.50 for everything, which is fantastic. Like $1.50 for those beautiful body washes. Yes, please, and thank you so much. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.